Hello everyone, I am Ms. Wang. Let's see what good controllers Ms. Wang has brought to you today. They are our variable frequency digital controller for Piezo vibratory feeder series. Our variable frequency digital controller for Piezo vibratory feeder series, our SDSC41N and SDSC42SD, and our SDSC42S. Among them, let's take a look at these two models, SDSC42SD and SDSC42S. They look like twins, but in fact, they are very different. Let's take a look at SDSC42SD. This one has a low voltage of 50 volts output, and this one, SDSC42S, has a high voltage of 220 volts output. In addition, the functions of these two models are also very similar, and their output frequency can reach 999.9 Hz. Fast speed can meet the needs of rapid production of production lines, and support different languages of multiple countries, so that the equipment can go overseas without pressure. In addition, these three models have very strong compatibility, can adapt to NPN and N sensors, and have 485 communication functions. This is the end of our introduction to the variable frequency digital controller for Piezo vibratory feeder series. Follow Ms. Wang to learn more about the latest controller technologies.